Captain, what do you have to say on the old Nuwe Road widening issue?
See, it is an open and shut case. जेन्ना वो न्यू बायपास नाशिल्लो ऑल द ट्रॅफिक ती नुवें बायपास म्हणजे नुवें ओल्ड नॅशनल हायवे 66 दॅट मिन्स फादर आग्नेल कॉलेज आसा PCC म्हणजे कार्मल कॉन्वेंट थंयसान ट्रॅफिक वेताली. जेन्ना 2020-21 slowly traffic started shifting. Now I think so somewhere in November 23rd 2024 the traffic has shifted totally into new bypass. Okay, and ह्या सायडीक ट्रॅफिकूच ना. सो थंय ब्लॅक स्पॉट आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले 2018-19 कित्याक थंय एक्सिडेंट जाताले म्हण. आतां एक्सिडेंट बंद जाले कित्याक ट्रॅफिक ना. ट्रॅफिक तर शिफ्ट जाली जाल्यार तुमी रोड कित्याक एक्सपांड करता. सेकंडली आमी आयकलां की झाडां कापपाक सोदता म्हूण. इट इज अ कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 36-40 crores. हे कोणें खाल्या? हे पयशे कोणें घेतल्या? एंड वाय इज अलेक्स शिक्वेरा सो इंट्रस्टेड इन एक्सपेंडिंग द रोड जेन्ना लोकांक नाका? हे एक्सपांड करून लोकांक त्रास जाता. सो इतलीं वर्सां तुमी जेन्ना ट्रॅफिक आशिल्ली तुमी रस्तो एक्सपांड करूंक ना. आतां ट्रॅफिक शिफ्ट जाली न्यू बायपासार. आतां तुमी तो ओल्ड रस्तो एक्सपांड करता. ते पयशे खावपाक कोणाचे पयशे? या लोकांचे पयशे. सो वी विल एक्सपोज अलेक्स शिकेर एंड वी विल एक्सपोज द PWD इंजिनियर. जो एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर कोण नवो आयला प्रितेश नायक म्हूण, ही हॅज एप्लायड फॉर कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज. वी आर वॉर्निंग द ऑफिसर्स. तुमकां तर दिसता मिनिस्टर आनी MLA तुमकां सेव करतले जाल्यार मिस्टेकन आमी तुमच्या सगळ्या फाटल्यान वेतले. जितले तुमी लोकांक त्रास करता आनी घरा मोडूंक सोदता, वी विल गेट आफ्टर यू. इट्स अ वॉर्निंग ऑर एन एडवाइस. टेक इट ऑर लीव इट. वी विल गो आफ्टर यू. Good. This was a short session as of now, part of the budget session. But Parliament is closed because of Holi. We'll resume again on Monday. So it has got adjourned.
Captain, what made you discuss the issue of Lord Kapeshwar in the...
So see, we have to understand, we are Goans. Whether it is the Hindu deity or a Catholic church or a Muslim masjid or Allah, whatever. This is part of our culture, of our tradition, religious harmony. In Konkani, आमी म्हणटा दायज. This is our दायज and we have to defend. We have to defend each other's faith. And since I am a representative sent by the people, it is my responsibility, because the way the destruction what is happening in Goa is not acceptable. The way the deity was removed forcefully using cutters, the way temple was demolished, the banyan tree, 200 years old banyan tree, removed. I think so it tells about what is happening in Goa, whether the government is in control or somebody in Delhi is controlling.
Spoke about Valsad double tracking, and we came to know that North Goa MP was also there. Did he support you on this issue?
See, I have raised this issue because I am not going to leave it lying down or taking lying down, because this is concerning the villagers, concerning the environment, concerning the very existence of the people, elderly people. The houses have been there for 200-300 years old, heritage houses. And railway contractors are just coming and dumping mud, blocking the exit of the people. There is no access. There is no right of way. As per the guidelines, as per rules, regulation, they have to keep right of way. हे सगळें बंद केलां तांचे जाणटो लोक. तो एके बायलेचो ओनराचो सेंड्रा म्हूण तिचो बापूय मेलो. तिका बॉडी हाडपाक जायना जाली भायर. They shifted the father's body to the sister's house and थंयसान तांणी funeral काडला. So very inhuman. And sad part is the government officials are taking orders from RVNL and harassing the people. सरपंचीचेर केस केल्या आनी 3 जाणांचेर केस केल्या. Orville, Olencio and that lady Sandra. I want to tell the officers of the government, we are going after you. तुम्ही तर समजता तुमची दादागिरी चालल्या. Then we have also taken out a list. Many years back when the Punjab insurgency was there, Julio Ribeiro was sent there. That evening when he reached, he landed and he released his list of terrorists. तशें आमी लिस्ट केलां. जितले गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिशियल्स आमच्या लोकांक त्रास करता आमी लिस्ट काडना. व्हेरी शॉर्टली this rule will change, government will change, we will go after you. Whether government is power, not power, we will go after you. We will now track down all the officers who are taking wrong orders from ministers and MLAs. तांच्या फाटल्यान आमी वेतले. जे आम जनतेक गोंयच्या लोकांक त्रास पय करता तांच्या फाटल्यान आमी वेतले.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.